Okay, before we started the second part of the news on Doma Climax, I want to tell you something. My thumbnail ever changed before? The answer is no. Just kidding, I was just joking. I mean, I really counted as my thumbnail. But this is the longest note in the ratio history. The logo longest note pa Nelson Doma. Wow, my thumbnail is going to do with the upper singing voice tone of your studies, and then I'm not going to do with the thumbnail because you are not going to watch my video anymore. And look, kita ang view. Ito the ratio, with him yun. Tapos, ada na mga PowerPoint. Sana na pa longest na Got 626 on this longest note in history. Puta. Adi maka 100. No, adi maka 50. Tapos, sunod 100,000 pesos. So, second part, we have to wait and see. And then I just posted, welcome to the official 34th video came out on weekends. 2 views. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tanan na mga 2 views naman ang akong video came out on weekends. Yan, sige pa, video came out on ka pa. 435 views in a second. What? Di pa, this is not even a video came out on. Here's an example of my black stock. 1.5k views. Don't look at my thumbnail because magawas naman ang akong dila sa thumbnail. Oh look, my CapCut video. Okay. Una, love you payo, but I have 11 views. Sorry. Yung ano ne, but this has 224 views. Ano na you can give by the sense. Oh my god. Ano you can do? I have to call you. Nanasuna ng paractive wall. Wala naman na si ano na. Graduation day is in 3 days. 1.6k views. Tapos sa day na naman with 890,000. 890 compared to 1,000 pesos na. Monetize naman na akong YouTube channel pag 1,000 subscribers naman. Video came out on pag Friday, 105 views. Adilugod na nakakanta naman sa JJ Patical Music na hashtag 68 views. Di naman makalibay 2676 na. Di paliwat, wait. Kahit na is okay na. Do some practice before video kay marathon. Okay na. Ito na pa miss pa na. So nakatango. 106 views. Almost all Blackstock videos have 1,000 views and above. Oh yes, another one from the episode 65 of my JB the Singing Hunter. Beautiful girly singing voice. 249 views. What's the reason you have been listening to the beautiful singing voice of the graduation practice? Because there is a video come out on the sound orchestra because some couple conversations. To find the last one that is absolutely going to kill me. Yo with 997 and you.